Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to simplify 5 exponent puzzle. Let's start. Question 1. Here is 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power x equals to 243. First, we will do in left side. This 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power x, we know about a to the power m times a to the power n equals to, once base are same, that time the power will be add once we will make product. It means here is multiply a to the power m and a to the power n, that time power will be add. It means m plus n. Similar, here is 3 and to the power 2x plus x equals to, here is 243. This one we can write 3 to the power what? 5. Okay. Now look, why 3 to the power 5 equals to 243? We can check this one. 243 we can divide by 3, here is 81, again divide by 3, here is 27, divide by 3, here is 9, and divide by 3, here is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we can write 3 to the power 5 instead of 243. Now, again, one thing, here is also base same. In left hand side and right hand side, base are same. Therefore, power will be equal. We know about formula, which is a to the power m equals to a to the power n. It means m equals to n because both power base are same. So here we can write, here is 2x plus x, this is 3x equals to 5 because power are equal. So once we divide both sides by 3, the result will be 5 by 3, and this is our answer. Clear? Number 1 done. Now number 2. Number 2. 5 to the power x plus 1, 5 to the power x minus 2 equals to 125. Here is also similar theme which already we wrote, which is a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus 1. Similar, here is base are same and now power will be add. It means x plus 1 plus x minus 2 equals to 125. We can write 5 to the power 3. Here is also base are same. We know a to the power m equals to a to the power n equals to what? M equals to n. So here base are same. Now power will be equal. Here is x plus x, it means 2x plus 1 minus 2, it means minus 1 equals to 3. So 2x equals to 3 plus 1, right? Now look, 2x equals to 4. We can divide both sides by 2. So answer will be x equals to 2. Okay, done. This is our answer. Number 2 clear. Number 3. Here is 2 to the power x plus 2 times 4 to the power x equals to 128. So here we have to do something. Look, here base is 2 but here base is 4. This 4 we can make same base. It means 2 to the power x plus 2 times this one we can write 2 square and here is x, right, equals to 128. We can write 2 to the power 7. So here base are same. We can write 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 2x equals to 2 to the power 7. Now these base are same. We already know about once base are same, that time power will be equal. So here is 2x plus x, 3x plus 2 equals to 7 because power are similar. Now look, 3x equals to plus 2 will become minus 2. So 7 minus 2. Here is 3x, 7 minus 2 means 5. So once we divide both sides by 3, x equals to 5 divide 3. Answer. Okay, 3 question answer done. Now our left question answer 4 and 5. Number 4. Here is 9 to the power x plus 1, 3 to the power 2x equals to 27. Here base is 9 and here is 3 and here is 27. So we have to make, or we have to try to make similar. So 9 we can write 3 square and here is x plus 1 times 3 to the power 2x equals to this 27 we can write 3 to the power 3. Now these base are same, so power will be add. So we can write 3, here is 2x plus 2 and plus 2x equals to 3 to the power 3, right? Now look, here base are same, so power will be equal, which we already know about this. So we can write 4x plus 2 equals to 3, right? Now 4x equals to 3 plus 2 will become minus 2. So 4x equals to 1. So we can divide both sides by 4. Then x equals to 1 divide 4. This is our answer. So number 4 done. And our last question of this video, which is number 5. Question 5. 4 to the power 2x minus 1, 2 to the power x equals to 128. This 4 to the power 2x we can write 2 to the power 2. Why? Because we have to make similar base. So here is 2x minus 1 times 2x and 128 we can write 2 to the power 7. Now look, 2 to the power 2 times 2x, it means 4x minus 2, and here we can add 2x equals to 2 to the power 7, right? Here we are following, we know about this, a to the power m times a to the power n, it means a to the power m plus n, right? And look, 2 to the power, here is 4x and here is 2x, it will be what? 6x, right? Minus 2 equals to 2 to the power 7. Now base are same, so 6x minus 2 equals to 7. Now 6x equals to 7 plus 2. So 6x equals to 9. We can divide both sides by 6, so x equals to 9 divide 6. So once we divide by 3, it will be 3 and it will be 2. So answer is 3 by 2. Thank you very much. It's a very important math. It's looking easy, and once you make more and more practice, it will become really easy. But you have to know about law of what? Exponent. In this channel I already made lots of exponential simplification, and this is also important. And here maximum question looking similar, it means you have to need more and more practice. This video we are following a to the power m times a to the power n. Next video we will try to make some challenge about negative exponent, which is a to the power minus n equals to 1 divide a to the power n. Till keep practice at home, and if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, and also please share this video with your friends. Thank you.